Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Chinese with Christine. I am so happy to see you guys again here. Right, in the last video we talked about a funny Chinese idiom, and in this one we're going to talk about a philosophical one, and it's called 井底之蛙. 井底之蛙. 井, it means the well. 底, the bottom. 之, it's a Chinese particle, it means earth in English. 蛙, it means the frog. So the literal meaning is the frog at the bottom of the well. So just according to the literal meaning, imagine how big the sky can be from the eyes of the frog who is just at the bottom of the well. So this Chengyu is used to indicate someone who is narrow-minded or short-sighted or have very limited view of the world. This Chengyu encourages us not to limit our understanding of the world, but to broaden our horizon as much as we can. Okay, I'm going to tell you the story about this idiom. A frog once lived at the bottom of the well, and the most he could see was only the small piece of the opening well. All around him was the well of the wall and the shallow water. Apparently, he never knew how beautiful and broad the outside world was. One day, a sea turtle showed up at the well entrance and looked down. When the frog saw the visitor, he proudly showed up to the sea turtle, said, "Hey, I'm the host of this well. You know what? I am so happy in here. I can hop, I can sleep, I can play in the water. Tadpoles and crabs can never experience my enjoyable life. Why don't you come inside and visit my wonderful place?" And the sea turtle heard what the frog said and was so curious, and he climbed down, but the sea turtle was too big to fit through the entrance. And then he pulled back and said to the frog, "Have you ever lived in the ocean and experienced swimming freely in the sea? The ocean has no boundary, and the scenery is spectacular. Even during the times of drought, we're still free and happily swimming in the sea because it's as vast as the sky. Living in the ocean is real happiness." And then the sea turtle walked away and returned to the ocean. After listening to the story, I'm sure you know how to use this idiom now. Okay, one example. 别再当井底之蛙了，你应该出去看看这个世界。别再当井底之蛙了，你应该出去看看这个世界。It means don't be the frog at the bottom of the well, you need to go out to see the world. So the next time if someone is narrow-minded or short-sighted, you can say 你是个井底之蛙。你就像个井底之蛙。So 井底之蛙 can be used as a noun, but this is quite negative. You can use this among very close friends as a joke, or if you really mean that, you can say 你是个井底之蛙. Okay, right. This is all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.